Want to open your most recent document, photos, or downloads without searching through folders? There's a faster way by using the View Recent File shortcut in the task panel on the Edge panel of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let me show you how to do it. First, you have to make sure that the task panel is on and View Recent File shortcut is at this panel. To do so, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel, and then tap gear icon to customize the panel. Here, make sure that the task panel is turned on. Then tap Edit at the bottom of the task panel. Scroll down the screen. Under My File section, tap View Recent File to add the shortcut to the task panel. Close the setting. To see how to use the shortcut, open the Edge panel again. Then find the task panel. Now tap View Recent Files. As you can see, you will be instantly taken to the My Files app, showing all the files you recently opened, saved, or downloaded. Given to the function, this shortcut is really useful if you are working on files back-to-back like PDF, images, or notes, and need to reopen them without going through multiple folders. It saves time, boosts your productivity, and keeps you focused on what matters. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.